Hello, welcome to my teaching presentation. For my presentation today, I will talk about sessions as an array. By definition, sessions are an associative array containing session variables available to the current script. To show that, I created an associative array in PHP as an example. You can see that here the array consists of a keyword along with the array element. So that's what associative arrays are. They're just arrays that have keywords associated to it. You can see that for each array element, there's a keyword associated with it. Superman is associated to Clark Kent, as well as the others. So that's the superhero name associated to the superhero's real name. Now, you can attach that array to a session. For example, I would call this array Justice League and attach the Justice League members to it. And the interesting thing to it is whenever I have an active session, I can call on this array information on a different web page. So what we'll do is we'll call on a different website or a different page, presentation 2. Right now we're at presentation. And on this other page, I'm going to call upon the array elements using sessions. For example, Superman can be called on by session, the name of the array, and the name of the array element, or the key for the array element. The same with the other Justice League members. Now I can only do this if I do session start. Let's try it. So this is the initial website that has the array information. When I click on this hyperlink, it directs us to the other page. Now, as you see on this other page, I don't have the array on it. All I have is a session and session start, and you're able to transfer or use data for different pages as long as the session is active. And I think that's really helpful in web development because you're able to get personalized data available for other pages. You can see that being used in our enhancement 6. When the end user logs in, a session is made available, and we can see that the client data is associated with the session. If we go back to the home page, when you're logged in, I'm gonna log in using one of my test accounts. When you're logged in, you can call on the client data array, var dump, and it should show the array elements for client data. So you have your first name, last name, email, and the client level. Now you can use that in any page as long as you have session start, and session start is available on the controllers. The way I chose to do it, I used the session to personalize the welcome and the welcome message. So I created a function that returns a personalized welcome using the session array. So if the session is logged in, so this is the first array associated to it, the logged in array. If it's logged in, then I'm gonna call on client first name. That's the session, client data, and then the client first name. And then I'm gonna personalize a welcome message. Welcome to PHP Motors, and then the client's first name. Or if you're not logged in, it just returns a default welcome message. Right now, I'm logged in. So as you see, it returns a personalized welcome message. And if I log out and I go back home, it just gives us a default welcome message. I can log in using a different user. So right now, I'm just using the password field as text for demonstration purposes. So for this account, the first name is admin. So if you go home to the home page, the personalized greeting shows welcome admin. And you can use it different ways. You can use it to call different array elements for client data using the session for this instance. This is the presentation. Thank you. Have a great day.